the three-point without getting things established that they're used to. You mentioned the inning in Darren Evans really going in the first half. So obviously, Frank Beamer has to be excited about what he has in front of it.
Sounds like a motorcycle.
The rookies played in the first half and hung in there.
Shifted to third.